Hi. After watching the video, click the link in the description to download the program.
Let me ask you two quick questions. Do you already have any video creation or editing app? Do you already have any old videos, new videos, or stock videos? If the answer to any of those questions is yes, pay close attention to this video, because I'm about to show you how you can revamp your videos into visually striking blockbusters that bring more viewers, generate more leads, and move people to take action. And yes, you will be able to do it for any kind of video. Plus, we made sure that you do not need any technical or video production experience at all. Oh, I'll even teach you how you can profit from selling these revamped videos or video revamp services. Hi, it's Andrew, and today I'm going to share with you technology called VidVamp, which we've been working on for the past 11 months. VidVamp takes any video and makes it into eye candy. The main problem marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses have is that their videos are not attractive or intense enough for people to pay attention. People are scrolling through videos and news feeds, ignore them on YouTube, or drop off fast when watching, which means little to no leads and sales. Professional video producers and marketers know that without intense stimulation, viewers ignore videos or lose interest fast and drop off. VidVamp empowers you to skyrocket engagement with your video. It comes with all the effects you need. You get 50 alluring animated and static effects. These are intense effects, subtle effects, and video filters, which enable you to make amazing revamped videos people would want to watch and share. In addition to video effects, VidVamp also includes an extra ability to import custom video overlays with full-featured alpha technology. With it, you can add flying objects, business animations, more effects, or whatever you want. VidVamp is for people who want to lower Facebook advertising cost with higher click-through rates, run successful YouTube channels, have their videos go viral, spice up review videos, and make e-commerce and digital products look more attractive to buy. VidVamp can also bring new life to old videos and boost your results from other video creation and editing apps. So, if you want to pay less for Facebook ads, your YouTube channel to be watched, videos to be shared, and potentially go viral, get more leads, make more commission from review videos, and sell more products, there is no easier way than to revamp your videos into blockbusters. Unfortunately, without the right tool, video revamp is difficult to do, and it could take days to revamp just one. It requires both technical and video production expertise, or if you outsource, it could cost $200 per minute of revamped video. This is why I am extremely excited to be able to tell you that now there is brand new, revolutionary VidVamp software, which makes video revamp super easy and fast. All it takes is 3 steps to make incredible revamped video with the software. Step 1, import a video. Step 2, select revamp effects. Step 3, render video. You will be comfortable on VidVamp within the first 15-minute session. It's that easy. No design or technical skills are required. Just select a video, select revamp effects, render, and done. These videos can help you increase engagement, generate more leads, and ultimately boost sales. And the best part? With the included commercial license, you can revamp as many videos as you want, plus you can even sell them and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine taking just minutes to revamp these videos for your potential clients, or becoming a freelance sales video creator on popular sites like Upwork or freelancer.com and charging $200 for a minute or more. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how easy such revamped video is to create, so let's jump right in. All right, here we are in the VidVamp desktop software. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and well laid out VidVamp is. We'll start by adding a new video. Then we will add some background music for the video. Then hit next. As you can see, in this window, we can choose from a variety of animated video effects or static effects. Okay, now let's use the search filter option here to quickly add multiple effects to this video. I'm going to fast forward here a bit so it doesn't get too boring. And that was the last one. Now hit next. Here we will set the duration of each effect and when we want it to start playing during the video. Just like that. Good. Now let's choose resolution and hit render. That's it. Now let's see what we've made. Wow, that looks amazing! As you just saw, in minutes, you can have a perfect revamped video like this. VidVamp is an easy-to-use, yet very powerful desktop app that anyone can use. VidVamp software has been created by professional developers under the supervision of professional videographers, and the result is absolutely incredible. You get fascinating, eye-catching videos your visitors love, which are perfect for viral distribution, establishing your channel, and skyrocketing your video ads performance. All that means that your videos look amazing, attract clicks, likes, shares, pins, and tweets to increase your exposure. We are the established market leader of do-it-yourself rapid video content production. Tens of thousands of creators, marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses are already using our software, with more joining every day. VidVamp software will change the way videos are revamped, and you can get your hand on the software at the very special discounted price today. Save time and money making highly viewed and clicked videos in minutes using the effortless and most advanced real-time revamp tool, VidVamp. This is your opportunity to get in on the action like top viral video producers, YouTube celebrities, and most successful Facebook advertisers do. This is why today, I'm excited to be releasing VidVamp to the world. We're going to give you instant access to the software you just saw in this video. Plus, we're going to load it up with tons of templates. On top of the VidSting app you just watched in the demo, we're going to give you a full suite of creative assets with the software. You'll get 50 alluring animated and static effects, 100 impactful music tracks to flood your video with energy, 100 full HD background videos to help make your revamped videos richer. We'll also give you 100 transparent video overlays to make your revamped videos pop even more. Plus, we will add step-by-step tutorials so you'll never get lost. And last but not least, we'll give you access to our closed-door community of thousands of video creators just like yourself to help you get feedback and get access to like-minded users. With included commercial license, you can generate videos for yourself and sell these videos or video revamp services to potential clients, and keep 100% of the profits. It comes with everything you need to get started in generating powerful, revamped videos in minutes. And there are no restrictions. No experience or technical skills are necessary. And you can even sell these videos or video revamp services to your clients and start charging hundreds of dollars. Or you can use them to attract and engage leads and make more sales. All the details are below. Get more views, engagement, leads, and ultimately more sales with VidVamp. Simply click on the Get VidVamp button below and get your copy of the newest desktop software that makes highly engaging, professional revamped videos in a matter of minutes. Download your copy of VidVamp today, and I'll see you on the other side. Oh, and of course, you're fully protected by our no questions asked guarantee. We're so extremely confident you'll love VidVamp that we'll let you take it for a full test drive. And if within the guarantee period you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, just contact us and we'll be happy to give you every penny back. But we already know you're going to absolutely love VidVamp. So go ahead. The button is right below this video. Grab your copy today. We really look forward to seeing the videos that you revamp, helping you capture, engage, and get more leads and make more sales. Lucky for you, VidVamp is going to give you the unfair advantage over your competition. Grab your copy of VidVamp today. We'll see you on the other side.